everybody. This is Marie, Pathway to Wellness, navigating our journey. And today, I'm navigating my journey as I take a little walk to help boost my bone health, my mental health, my heart health, just my overall health, right? And my creative health, because I can get to do this video. Excuse me. So I wanted you guys to just see the beauty that is Cabrillo. So look at how beautiful it is today. It's really quiet. I wanted you guys to see the outdoor gym we have here. You get to work out. I think it was a great idea. Excuse me. You get to smell the fresh grass. It's been mowed today. You get to see the sailboats and the bikes that are right there. That you can pick up a bike if you need to. And if you just keep walking down Cabrillo in Santa Barbara, this is our main drag, right? So if you just keep walking down, because it goes all the way down that street into Montecito, and then it just keeps going here into Santa Barbara, which we are right now. But I wanted you guys to see how beautiful this walk could be. And as you can see, it's really beautiful. You know, you have the flowers, you have the beach that's right across, right there, the ocean and the sand. And then on this side of Cabrillo, you have the landscaping that is just really beautiful. And then look, I take pictures of that often. And then there's the Riviera up there. All that, there's the Riviera. Oh, now see here. It's another machine. I came to work out, so after I do this video, I'm actually gonna do a couple of reps for my poor little soul body. Okay, there's the Hilton right there. National forests and mountains and whatnot. Okay, and then over there there's a gentleman. He's working out, so I'm not gonna get too into that. But over there you can see there is another workout. Usually that's where the guys are. So the girls go there too, of course. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to see this quick simulation, this quick idea of what we mean by, pathway to wellness. What does that mean? That means, what path are you taking to your wellness? What's your life like? What are you incorporating into your life that is bringing you wellness, that's bringing you smiles, bringing you memories, bringing you moments, bringing you sadness, bringing you happiness, bringing you joy, bringing you peace. What does that for you? And what are you willing to do, to get there? Are you just complaining and talking about what you don't have? Or are you making things happen because you have no choice? So these are the things, we have to think about, talk about, wonder about. These are the things that breaks our pathway. more clear, I guess. Okay, anyway, that's it for me for today. It's not a very long video, just something to think about. And on top of that, I want you guys to see, you can use your neighborhood to inspire you and to help you get to your wellness that you want for you. You can use your own neighborhood, of course, but being safe, of course, always keeping safety in mind. But that to navigate your journey. So anyway, this is Marie Corbin. I'm out. Talk to you guys soon. In a minute.